Today, I want to show you exactly how to sell digital products on the internet. But before you ever sell a thing, I want to show you exactly how to reverse engineer digital products that other people are selling with a ton of success.
Wait, that sounds like a boring topic because everybody else is teaching the exact same thing. How you can sell digital products and buy your Lamborghini yesterday and some reverse engineering voodoo stuff. And this guy looks like a schoolboy. Who will listen to him? And of course, this video got 28,000 views in 7 days. What? We don't watch videos if it is less than 28 million views, yes or no? The answer is, these are all wrong. I have watched this video. This is one of the most valuable videos in digital products and digital marketing I have ever watched in my life. Now, you go watch it or you don't go watch it, I don't care. Because ultimately, most of my viewers will not take any action. You are here to get entertained and probably watch the funniest cat videos. So before I show you, I actually did my research and I found this valuable video is not the most viewed video of this guy. And this is no school guy. Not only he has 147,000 subscribers, his videos are super matured and he's an older guy. And he interviewed some of the big names in the industry. But most importantly, I want to show you something that's easy, that's simple, and most people liked it. And it's kind of weird as well. So let's have some fun.
TripAdvisor, Care.com, Happy Cow, hundreds of directories making multiple millions and many more making over 6 figures. That one backlink that got me to rank 1 has resulted in 2 years worth of completely passively 2,300 to 3,000.
Wait a minute. When I saw this Asian guy, I had a bigger and better hope. I thought this would be interesting. He's talking about backlinks, directories? What?
Dollars a month.
It's just one of those businesses that people don't even think of. They've all interacted with them, but they
Wait, people don't think of, then how are they even businesses?
don't see it as an opportunity. There's still so many untapped opportunities out there where there's more demand than supply.
Wait a minute. Am I doing digital dropshipping here? Looking for new products or opportunities? I want to make money yesterday. What color is my Bugatti?
100%. I think once you see it, you can't unsee it.
So if someone's starting from complete scratch, where should they start?
Is this even a question? They should start from your podcast. Okay, time to get serious. We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video. This is a 52 minutes long interview, and there are lots of gems inside. You can take your time, watch the full interview if you want, but I can give you the summary real quick. So the action takers can do their research, take their action, and make fast money. So there are these directory sites. I went to ChatGPT and asked a simple question. List the local directory websites. And ChatGPT gave me a list of 10 local directory websites. You can just pause the video, go and check it out. And I found this website. This was the first one. Interesting. This is the landing page of this website, the first page. Just a logo on top, your gateway to business excellence in the UAE. So here is important. When it is about a directory website, the people landing on this website are the people who are looking for a certain business, product, or service. So it's never a broad or an international website. It's always a local website. Now the first thing is if you scroll down, they will show you their plans, their payment plans. So this is not for freebie seekers looking for some free stuff. This is for those who are serious about their business. They will pay some money, not a lot, a little money, but they will list their business in this website. On top right corner, there are 2 buttons. One is list my website. If you click there, you will again be taken to the payment plans, because the first thing you need to do is select a payment plan and list your business because you want customers. Okay, cool. So before I list my website or my business, I want to see whether they have traffic or not, because it's only worth it if they have traffic, and more precisely, relevant traffic. So how do I know? I went to similarweb.com. I put the website URL and I found they have 23,386 monthly visitors. Not bad. And 41% traffic are from UAE. I don't know how this is super good. I mean, remaining 59% traffic are from other countries. Chances are they are suppliers, distributors, or whatever. And yes, organic 66% traffic, they are coming from Google, which means if I list my business in this website, then there are chances I will get some Google traffic, highly targeted traffic to my website. And of course, 25% direct traffic. The people who are visiting this website or they know about this website, they will come here, search for something, and possibly find my website and my business. But I am not quite happy because first of all, 23,000 visitors monthly, that's it, not a lot. And 41% local traffic, others are not local. So I don't know how it's going to help my business. And third, when it is direct traffic, then I want to know who are these people who are visiting this website, which means, am I able to take advantage of this 25% direct traffic or not? And finally, last but not least, the 66% organic traffic, how they find this website. What do they search on Google when they find this website? So for that, I went to Uber Suggest. And Uber Suggest is showing they have more traffic. Well, I understand it's a little bit more or less. And neither SimilarWeb nor Uber Suggest are 100% correct. And these are the top keywords for which this website is found on Google. So look at this. Span Trading Dubai, 1,900 visitors per month. UAE Ace Hardware, 8,100 visitors per month approximately. John Aluminium and Glass Factory, paint manufacturers in UAE, CA Grand Building Material Trading. If my business are not among these, then probably I will just skip this website for now. But hey, do you understand that not every business will look at this kind of data? Most businesses will look for some exposure, and for that, they will just go for any of these plans. What does this mean? They're making some money. And money for what exactly? For listing a company's information. That's it. So here is a cheese framework for building a business based off this directory type of websites. Money is right here, but money is not going to happen if this is not done right. So let's start from C.
What the actual website was and what made you choose that niche?
Yes, the most boring topic. Choose your niche. And if you don't do that, there is no money.
Yeah, I'm happy to share as much as possible without giving the domain, just because the first time I did that, it invited like 3 copycats within 24 hours. And yeah, it's just one of those things, but it's in the thrifting niche.
What's thrifting? Guys, nowadays we search with ChatGPT and we don't use Google, and very soon I believe Google is going to die. And thrifting refers to the practice of shopping for secondhand items. Gotcha.
And I really just found it scrolling on TikTok, actually. I noticed these viral videos of people showing their thrifting hauls, like a lot of Gen Z. They had millions of views, and all the comments were like location-based queries. They were like, where is this? Is there one in Pennsylvania? People were very curious. And I was like, why aren't people just going to Google Maps, looking this up, and then visiting it nearby?
That's a good question. People can just go to Google or Google Maps, but they keep asking elsewhere.
And that's when I discovered that there was a bottleneck. Like Google Maps was not very good at very specific location-based queries.
Or maybe people just don't search. And if they don't, why not we create a new website?
If you typed in the keyword that I built this directory around, it pulled up like a bunch of irrelevant businesses and locations.
And I think a starting point can be these keywords. You just got to look at the searches that people are actively using, but they're not getting good results. And one of the places can be Reddit. Like, let's try with where is and enter. Just an open search. I am getting some weird questions like, where is she now? Where is the lie? Instead, let's go to a local subreddit and search where is. I couldn't find anything significant, so I'm simply browsing and looking for something, and I actually found something. Look at this question. Flower arrangements in Abu Dhabi. Does anyone know a good place where I can find good flower arrangements at a great price? Preferably, if anyone knows a Filipino florist. Very specific query, and there are 8 answers. Let's go on Google Maps and look for flower. Well, there are so many answers. Yet, here we are, people asking about flower arrangements in subreddit. Another one, photographers and filmmakers. Okay, this one probably the most oversaturated question. 1-bedroom apartment. Real estate, it's everywhere. And 45 comments here. You got the point. You gotta find out something that bunch of people are asking. It may take a little time. That makes it worth it. Because if it was that easy, everybody would have been doing that. We can try one more thing. Why not we copy the URL, go to ChatGPT, put it here and ask, research this URL and give me the list of top common queries and see what happens. If it doesn't work, no problem. We'll try another AI. Cool stuff. And I know exactly. Living in Abu Dhabi, cost of living, accommodation choices, commuting and transportation, employment and career, driving and transportation, real estate and investment, and so forth. I'm doing keyword research. So please give me keywords. Okay, this looks cool. Now you got a better way to research on a subreddit, right? Now you don't need to just scroll and see.
Yeah, I researched it. I saw one website that did cover it, and it was getting 100,000 monthly visitors. And I was like, I could do better than this. I could improve on this. So I did combine some of the stuff I learned from YouTube, and that's kind of how I landed it.
Did you use SimilarWeb to look at their traffic?
I use Ahrefs. Ahrefs is always my go-to.
Oh, use that for traffic as well.
What is Ahrefs? This is Ahrefs. It's a good one, but unfortunately, it's not quite free. You know, just for this little research, you have to pay this much money per month. Isn't this too much?
All right. So, and then you use Ahrefs, I imagine, to find the demand. And I'm guessing you're looking at keyword difficulty, as in difficulty to rank highly for it on Google, and keyword volume. And you're looking for asymmetric bets there, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep, exactly. You always want to find the balance between something that's low keyword difficulty with high search volume.
Doesn't it look like rocket science to you? To me, it is. And to be honest, this SEO thing is never the best of the best thing. Because as you can see, people now started using AI. Google is going to be obsolete very soon. So instead of running after SEO, use local queries, but focus on AI.
What is your monthly traffic across all your directory sites?
That's one of the most important questions for me. What's your traffic?
The first one gets around like 60,000 monthly visitors.
What? I mean, let me write it down. 60,000 visitors per month. Is that what you said?
The second one's around like 8 to 10, kind of fluctuates, and the last one's 6. So,
all right, let's say 8,000 visitors. You must be billionaire, bro.
Probably like it ranges from like probably 70 to like 90,000 monthly visitors.
Total 70,000 visitors per month. Subhanallah. Now the big money question. How much money does he make from this kind of traffic?
What kind of revenue do those 3 pull in combined?
It also ranges, but like completely passively, it's probably around like 2,300 to 3,000.
Wait, 23 million you said? No, you said 2,300 to 3,000
dollars a month. So nothing crazy, but
bro, this is nuts. Is this what we have been watching this video for? Dude, stop this BS. Start digital marketing. Come, I'll show you. Astaghfirullah al-Azim. I can't believe people waste so much of my times. Look at this account, bro. 75,000 visitors on one funnel. And from that funnel, we made $406,322. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun. All this time, I've been watching this video to learn how to make $3,000 from 70,000 visitors per month. Guys, are you still watching? That's why don't watch all videos on the internet. I mean, he's telling you the truth, but what is the use of the truth if there is no money in it? You do so much SEO, research, website strategy, asking people to buy from you, and you end up making $3,000 per month from 70,000 visitors per month. After all this SEO and all this BS, look, let me refresh another account. I mean, listen, this is a very low and slow account. And we got like 20,000 visitors from 3 different funnels. And we made $31,215. What? With 70,000 visitors, we would have made $100,000. Okay, this account is loaded. Look at this, look at this. Okay, look, this little funnel right here, 63,000 visitors made $74,000. Another one, 72,000 visitors made $50,000. 36,000 visitors made $46,000. What? Listen, forget about this. I apologize to show you all these things. You go, try it, do it, whatever you want. I am done with this. Alhamdulillah, I didn't waste too much time of myself or yours. I mean, this is fine. Something new to try and explore, do some innovation. But if you really want to make money, go and do digital marketing. And if you are a complete beginner, you have absolutely no idea what I'm talking about, good, bad, low or high, small or big, whatsoever, you have this training. Below this video in the description, there is a link for 99% done for you program. Go click that link and watch this video from start to end. You will learn everything about how members of our 99% done for you program earn commission like this, and like this, $4,590. What? And he did it in just 2 hours. Just 2 hours. Another $800 next day. Another $700 the next day. Listen, you don't have to pay any money to watch this video, but after watching this video, you will learn about how we make so much money from our visitors. How we make so much money from digital marketing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is real and it's rewarding. And on top of that, this is 99% done for you. And after watching the video, if you have questions, feel free to ask the AI chat assistant. It will give you all the answers. If you want more, you want to speak to me one-on-one, click here and DM me on Instagram or send me a message on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.